Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you another exciting Monarch Legacy of Monsters video, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the Ion Dragon. So hope you follow along and enjoy these videos today. Now to start off with the Ion Dragon, let's begin by drawing the face. So I'm going to start right up here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to come down, and then it's going to go up and down for the top of the eye. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and up. Then I'll put a little curved line in here that's just kind of colored in for the pupil. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and down. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and down again. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down to a point and then back. Then I'm going to bring this line down and then up here. And then right behind it, I'll add another little point. Right here, I'm going to curve this line down and then up. I'm going to bring this line back, and we're going to come up here. Then I'm going to curve this line up. Then right inside of here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up to the top. And then I want to fill this in with pointed teeth. I'll draw some more pointed teeth right down here. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and up and back down for the tongue. Then a line's going to come down to here. Then I'm going to make some sharp pointed teeth right here. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and then down. And then I'm going to make another little line that's going to come over and then down. Now for the horn, let's bring a line that's going to come down. It's going to go up. And then we'll bring this over. Then I'm going to bring this line in. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down. Then I'll add a couple little curved lines here. And I'll bring this line down. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and in for the chest. And then I'll curve this line in. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line up and down. And then I'll bring it out some more for the arm. Then let's bring this line up. Now for the fingers, let's bring a line that's going to come up, down to a point and back up. Down to a point and back up. And one more right here. Then I'll make another little curved claw right there. Next, I'm going to bring this down. And then let's bring this back up here. We'll kind of jump over the claws, and then we'll bring it down here. Then I'm going to bring this over. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down. Then I'm going to bring this line up. I'll do the same thing. I'm going to make a couple claws on here that just kind of go down and up. Do one right here. and then one that curves this way. Then I'm going to bring this line down, and then we'll come right back up. Jump over a few spots, and then I'm going to come down, and then over here. Next, I'm going to start by drawing a line that's going to come down here. And then let's make the legs. I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come out and then down for the knee. Then I'm going to come straight down. Then I'm going to add a little curve point right here. Then another little curve right here. I'm going to bring this line up. And then in here. And then I'm going to curve here. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down and then back. Bring it down here. Do a little point right there. And then another little point right here. I'm going to bring this line up and in. And then I'll curve it up here for the back of the leg. Now for the wings, let's make a line that's going to come up and down. Then we'll do another one that comes up and down, and then one more right towards the body. And we'll do that same thing over here. Let's come up and down. Up and down. Up and down, and then right towards the body. Next, I'm going to bring this line up. Then I'm going to bring this line down and back. I'm going to curve this line out on each side. Make this come up to a point and down, and then up to a point and down. Then I'll curve this up to a point and bring it right to here. Next, I'm going to add a few little spikes onto the tail. Then I'll do some right over here too. Next, starting here, I want to draw a line that's just going to come down here. And then here's our basic shape of our ion dragon. We just want to come in here and start adding some of the details now. So let's start with the claws. Let's go ahead and make some curved lines right across each claw. We can do that for the toes as well. And then we can make some little wrinkle lines on there. Next, let's bring a line that's going to come down and up, and then down again by the eye. And then a couple little lines right around here on the face. I'm going to make a little line here. And then a couple little lines right here on the chest. And then a little broken line down. I'm going to make a couple little broken lines kind of along the arms and everything just to add a little detail. I'll make a couple quick little curved lines right around here on the knees. And a couple little lines right up here. Next, we're just going to make some broken lines up here. And I'm just going to do the same thing. Next, I'm going to make a few lines here. And a few lines on the body, and then a couple coming up the neck as well. And then a few lines right down the tail. And there you go, there is your drawing of the Ion Dragon from the Godzilla Monarch series. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.